Soft rain tapping on a midnight pane. C2 drone humming under the rain. Sub-bass breath in a city asleep. Low whisper rolling deep, too deep. Drip drop sets the grid. No click track, let the sky decide. Concrete echoes in F3 light. Gray frequencies blur the night. Snare in a misty lane. Kick follows rhythm of falling rain. C2, C3 hums in a steady flow. Bass like thunder far below. Mid-range melody see through the E3 glide. Jazzed in phrases in urban tide. Theory locked in harmonic frame. Logic inside the blur and flame. High F3, F4 very street. Drill like lightning sharp but sleep. Counter melody weaving through. Tension in every drop of blue. Low C bends toward distant F. Pitch slide breath in granular depth. Drone becomes a rising sigh. City lights reflected in sky. Reverb spreads on the midline tone. High note shimmer overblown. Layer by layer, low to high. Energy climbing but pulse stays tight. Storm surge, beat hits hard. Hip hop heart with ambient guard. C2 ground and F4 flame. Different textures, one domain. Boom clap, rain still falls. Snare like echo in alley walls. Micro riff in the upper air. Macro drone holds everywhere. Quiet like stack in urban hue. Two stacks so within that solid view. From whispered low to bright refrain. Harmony dancing inside the rain. Rap off grid but never lost. Rain corrects at hidden costs. Sympated mid motifs between the drops like scattered leaves. Low growl tone with subtle drive. Distorted hum keeps core alive. High airy textures modulate. Granular sparks that oscillate. Old school groove with remix twist. Filtered rain inside chain. This beat breathes in a weathered frame. Wet concrete remembers name. Kick, snare, space between. Silence as an unseen sheen. Subomatic theory bass. Floating in suspended space. High F note, sustained in glow. Mid-refrain, soft and slow. Low C pulse like distant train. Moving through eternal rain. Stack the layers, let them blend. No true start and no real end. C to F in cosmic seam. Street philosophy meets dream. Boom clap, fade to gray. Rain outlives what we play. Music stops but drops remain.